Among the rights in the Bill of Rights, which one is the most important for the youth today and why?
Well, I personally think the most important right among the Bill of Rights is the freedom of speech, especially in social media, because through that we are able to express our ideas faster and better, and we are able to gather more information that would not be otherwise available to us, especially without the technology that we have today.
How can we balance freedom of speech so that it won't be misused and turned into cyberbullying or fake news?
Well, I believe that in order to be a good netizen, we need to be respectful, especially when sharing our own opinions. And we also need to look out for mga malalaswang na information, especially if it's wrong, because we don't want to spread misinformation, right? So yeah, be respectful, and we need to fact check a lot.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Aber.
Can individual rights under the Bill of Rights ever be limited by the government? Yes, pero dili basta-basta pwede na ilimit ko para sa public safety, health, ug order. Dapat naa sa balaod. Example, during COVID, na-limit ang freedom of movement tungod sa lockdown na dili maka-apply ang sakit. So, follow-up question, sa imong opinion, kanusa mahimong abuso ang pag-limit sa gobyerno sa atong mga rights? Mahimong abuso kung way klaro nga rason o kung gamiton para hilumon ang mga tawo nga nag-criticize sa gobyerno. Example, pungan ang media nga mga report bisan tinuod. Thank you, ma'am.
Why is the Bill of Rights essential in a democratic society like the Philippines? And how does it protect individuals from possible abuse government power?
Ang Bill of Rights mao ang atong panalipod. Isiguro niini nga ang atong gobyerno ang nag-alagad kanato. Dili kita ang mag-alagad kanila.
How does the Bill of Rights reflect the core principle of the Philippine democracy?
Ang Bill of Rights mao ang garantiya nga ang atong gobyerno nagpabilin nga demokratiko, nag-alagad sa katawhan, naghatag og justisya.